Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my vlog. This is my second vlog that I have done and I'm really liking this vlog life. So basically I'm in my apartment and I'm ready to go on vacation. I am going to be staying at an hotel with my friends and with my college friends, and yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna be staying for like a week, so we're gonna be doing many fun activities and I'm going to vlog them all for you. I'm also going to be making lots of videos, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So I'm basically going to show you my outfit of the day. So this is the outfit that I am wearing today. This shirt, I got it at PacSun, and then I got this skirt as well in PacSun. I made a video, a summer lookbook video, and this was one of my outfits that I showed. So I did my makeup. It is a pretty simple look. I need to put on some lipstick, but I haven't done that already. Like, I haven't done that because I haven't eaten breakfast. So after I eat breakfast, I am definitely gonna put my lipstick on. And you guys been loving the lipstick that I'm wearing lately. I got so many replies on my giveaway video saying that you love that lipstick so much. It's from Milani and it's called Amor. So yeah, I'm just going to be eating breakfast and I'll catch up with you later. I have everything set up, like my suitcase and my carry-on is just ready, so all I have to do is get some breakfast. Okay guys, so this is the lipstick that I was talking to you about. It's a red lipstick and it's really good. I love it and the way it feels in my skin. I also wanted to say that a little disclaimer, you know, like I live in Puerto Rico, so in this vlog you might like see me or my friends talking Spanish. So yeah, just a little bit of a disclaimer there. We're gonna be authentic, so yeah. Also, I keep just like turning the camera off and then having something else to say, but yeah. What I was going to say was that I came up with the greatest idea ever, and it's to like present to you my friends, like go with the camera and be like, hey, like who are you, what you study, and you know, just like a little get to know me so you guys could see and get to know a little bit better the friends of mine that are going to be in the vlog. So let's just get to that right now. Alright guys, so I'm here with two of my friends and I'm basically going to present them to you. Well, they're going to present themselves. So the first one we have is Rafael.
Hello to everyone, I'm Rafael Velez, here from Puerto Rico. I'm now 21 years old and I'm studying in Maya West Campus, Puerto Rico. I'm studying biology with Fabiola.
What's up? John here from West Side, 19 years old. We're on our way to Humacao. We're gonna see some stuff. We're gonna eat some stuff. We're gonna have a fun time.
Hi, my name is Eduardo. I love to sing, play guitar, and compose music.
Okay guys, so I just arrived at this freaking hotel and it is the best hotel I've ever been to. Like, it's so freaking big. I'm gonna give you a tour right now. Okay guys, so the first thing that you see when you open the door is this wall at the left, lol, and then this mirror at the right, and this fire hydrant. We have this cute mirror here and some cute little bench. It's really cute. Then we have a laundry room and we have two laundry things. We have some space here that we're probably not gonna use, and then we have some cleaning things here. Next, we have this door, and let's see what's inside. When you open it, it's just a little storage room, I suppose. So next, we are going to go downstairs. And oh my god, look at this freaking place. Let me show you what's here first, and let me turn on the lights of everything. So here is this huge kitchen, and we have a telephone thing. We have some ice cube trays and some little like itineraries and stuff. We have this huge counter. Then we have a blender, a toaster. We have this here. Then we have a coffee maker and some mugs, some coffee roasters, and we have this sink here, and we also have some storage things. We have this thing here as well. Then we have this to put the plates after we clean the plates. Then we have this huge refrigerator. Let's see what's inside. So big. Then we have this part. We have water. We still haven't bought any food, so we're going to do that soon. So as we exit the kitchen, we have this little area, this dining area, and this super cool lamp. Look at this, how cool and great is this? Then we have some outdoor patio and some curtains, and then we have the living room area. Let's see what's there. We have this little area here, this, and it's so pretty. Wow, it's so bright, so big. Then let's go to the first room that I encounter, and this is the room right here. The closets are enormous. Hi! And the view as well. Wow, it is actually so pretty. We have some wood drawers, and wow, it's just breathtaking, you guys. Now let's go over to downstairs. We have another freaking floor, like this hotel. This hotel room has 3 floors, and it's so amazing. Let's go. This is the first bathroom that I've seen. Wow, it has a hair thing. Wow, I always say thing. We have some towels, some little things we can use for our hair and to wash our hands. This little sink here, which is absolutely precious. We have some towels, and then this is the shower. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. So this is the other room that we have. It has 2 twin beds, and it's so beautiful and cute, so precious. Now I'm going to show you my room, and it's this one right here on the first floor. We have a TV. This is the master's bedroom. We have a TV. We have this drawer here, some blue seats with a lamp. We have these curtains that open up to see the view. We also have 2 lamps, a bed. We have a huge closet as well, and I also have my own bathroom, and it's basically the same style of the one that I showed you. So yeah, 2 toilet rolls. Wow, and here it is. Now let's go and see the patio. Now it's time to go outside and see what we have here. Wow, I love this. So we have this small table to gather around at night or eat breakfast here with a view. We also have some seats we could pull over here and get some sun. And this is so big. Wow, let's see. Look at how big this patio is. I am so in love with it. Let's see how the hotel looks from afar. I cannot wait to be here for a whole week because this is honestly paradise, you guys. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and all the activities that we're gonna do. It's gonna be so much fun and my friends are just so amazing. So I'm so thankful for that and to have this opportunity to stay here with my friends and achieve that goal of staying at an hotel with my friends. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so I am here in my bathroom and I'm just going to get ready for bed. So I just thought, why not show you how I get unready. So let's do an unready with me. And I'm sorry I look crazy. I forgot to bring a hairband for this trip. Like, what kind of girl am I? And I just had to pull my hair up with this bandana thing. So it's kind of crazy, but I just have to work with what I got. So anyways, the first thing that I'm going to do to take my makeup off is use this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and it is honestly the best thing to take your makeup off. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I already washed my hands. So basically I'm just going to be taking some amount of this product and I am going to put some product on my face. And basically just rub it and the makeup will literally melt off your face. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my mouth and let's get to it. And I'm sorry I keep looking this way. It's because I have a mirror there and I know that I have a viewfinder here, but I don't have my glasses, so I really don't see anything on the viewfinder. So basically I'm just going to put some water on my fingers and clean this mess that I have. And I'm sorry I look crazy, wow. And then I'm going to take this cotton rounds and I'm basically going to wet some of them and wipe my makeup off. So now that I took my makeup off, I am going to be using two of my favorite things to wash my face. And the first thing I got at Marshall's, and it is this really inexpensive cleansing brush thing. So I'm gonna wet it, pop this in, and I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal cleanser. And after I do this, I'm gonna take this, turn it on, and wash it. The next thing that I'm going to be taking is this Amore Pacific treatment enzyme peel. And it's basically gonna be like an exfoliator for my face. So I'm just going to be pouring a little bit on my hands like this, wetting it a little bit with some drops like this, and then rubbing my hands together, making this foam and applying it on my face. So this is basically how I take my makeup off. I still have a couple more things that I need to do, but since I haven't taken a shower yet if I put my moisturizer on and my eye cream on, it is going to go away with the water when I hop in the shower. So basically I'm just going to be hopping on the shower and getting ready to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow.